I always choose to take advantage of the space to grow. Cucumbers can help digestion, lose weight, and are good for the heart. If you want to sow seeds effectively, we should use 1 crushed onion clove with water and incubate cucumber seeds for about 30 minutes before sowing. When incubating watermelon seeds with onion water, it helps the seeds absorb nutrients. And the onion also has the effect of repelling insects that are harmful to the seeds. When sowing seeds, we need to prepare suitable nursery pots and keep them in a cool place. The containers I use today are repurposed containers. Before planting, be sure to drill drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. To keep plants moist, we can use plastic bottles and absorbent towels, punch holes, and connect them together to create a very effective automatic watering system for plants. When newly planted, the plant is weak and needs energy to grow from the beginning. When preparing the soil for planting, I use a mixture of worm castings and vermicompost. Seeds germinate well. After planting, remember to water and store water in a plastic bottle. When the plant is 15 days old, it is a very important stage because the plant must develop healthy stems and branches to flower, so we need to take good care of it. First, I will weed, prevent nutrient sharing with plants, and use vermicompost to fertilize plants. Since I grow to take advantage of indoor space close to where I live, the choice of care must always be friendly and non-toxic. To help the tree have space to develop roots, prevent tilting, falling, and good metabolism, I will add more soil to each tree. After watering, I also sprinkle rice husks evenly on the surface of the barrel, which helps provide long-term nutrition for the plants while preventing erosion and improving the soil. At this time, the tree is tall, has flowers and small fruits, helping the tree have enough energy to nourish the trunk. Flowers and fruits, we need to take care of them. First, I will have to make a trellis for the plant to climb, water it, and my choice is still to use worm castings to fertilize the plant. In addition to using 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spraying evenly on the plant to stimulate flowering, fruit set, repel insects, and prevent pests, I also use male flowers to pollinate female flowers to help fruit set more effectively. Very gentle, the 35-day-old plant has covered the trellis and has a lot of fruit. To let the plant focus on nutrition to nourish the fruit, I will remove the old yellow leaves at the base and add a little fertilizer and water the plant. You see, it's great. In less than 2 months, I had a lot of cucumbers. With big, beautiful ones, I can now enjoy the fruits of my labor. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.